Today we are learn about the numbers from 500 to 600. Numbers in this screen you can see the numbers from 500 to 600. This is the content. Numbers from 500 to 600. Numbers name. Place the value of HTO. H means the 100. T means tens and the O means ones. That HTO value you can place the particular name. And last one here, the solve the sum problems related to 500 to 600 numbers. You can see this screen, the numbers from 500 to 600. The students, you can count the number for 500 to 600. Anyone, you can count it, the numbers from 501 to 510, 501, 502, 503, 504, 505, 506, 507, 508, 509, 510. Adds. Very good students. You can read, count the number for 501 to 510. Let's begin. You can start the numbers of counting 511 to 520. Who can count the number of 511 to 520? Anyone? Count it. 511 to 520.
511, 512, 513, 514, 515, 516, 517, 518, 519, 520.
Yes, very good students. You can count the number for 511 to 520. It's very good. Next number 521 to 530. Here
521, 522, 523, 524, 525, 526, 527, 528, 529, 530.
Yes, very good students. You can correct the counting from 521 to 530. Next, you can count the number from 531 to 540. Who can count the numbers from
31, 532, 533, 534, 535, 536,
36,
36, 537, 538, 540,
39.
39, 540.
Yes. Next, the counting from 541 to 550. The numbers from 541, 542, 543, 544, 545, 546, 547, 548, 549, 550. Yes, the students who can count the numbers from 551 to 560. Let's me know the numbers from 551 and to 560. Count the numbers.
551, 552, 553, 554, 555, 556, 557, 558, 559, 560.
Yes, very good students. You can count the numbers from 551 to 560. This is the good task you have to complete it. Next, the numbers from 561 to 560. 70. Please raise your hand, anyone.
561, 562, 563, 564, 565, 566, 557, 568, 569, 570.
The 561 to 570, you can count the numbers. Then let's begin. You can count the number 571 to 580. The 571.
571, 572, 573, 574, 575, 576, 577, 578, 579, 580.
It's very good students. You can count the numbers from 571 to 80. Let's begin. You can start the numbers from counting 581 to 590. Who can count the numbers? Yes. Count the number. Start.
581, 552,
82,
583, 584, 585, 586, 587, 588, 589, 590.
It's very good students. You can count the number from 580 to 590. Let's begin from the last number of 591 to 600. The 591, 592, 593, 594, 595, 596, 597, 598, 599, and last the number 600. Yes, very good. In this screen you can see the numbers from starting 501 means 501 to 600. You can count all the students, you can count and read the numbers for 501 to 600. In next slide, go to numbers name. Here numbers name, you can see the 501. Here the name of FIVE, 5, HUNDRED, 100, and ONE, 1. It's a spelling you have to derive the 501. It's a concept of the meaning in maths 5, 100 and 1. Let's start from numbers name 501 to 510. Who can count the number from 501 to 510? It's read the spelling. Anyone? Please raise your hand.
F
501.
F I V E 5 H U N D R E 100 A-N-D and O-N-E 101.
501. It's read the spelling of 501. Let's begin the counting the number from 501 to 510. 501, 502,
503, 504, 505, 506, 507, 508, 509, 510.
It's very good, students. You will read the numbers from 501 to 510. We are count the numbers from 511 to 520. Who can count the numbers 511?
511, 512, 513, 540, 550, 560, 570,
17.
518, 519, 520.
Yes, it's a correct counting from 511 to 520. Let's begin for the next number 521. 521, 522, 523, 524, 525, 526, 527, 528, 529, 530. Okay, friends, in this slide you can see the numbers name from 501 to 530. Let's read its spelling. You go through that, the numbers name. In the next slide, you can see here the numbers name from 531 to 560. Let's begin. Who can count the numbers 531 to 540? Let's start. 531.
531, 532, 533, 534,
35.
35,
536, 537, 538, 539, 540. Let's begin. Is the starting from 541 to 550, 541, 542, 543, 544, 545, 546, 547, 548, 549, 550. Let's begin counting the number from 551 to 560. Let's start the counting with its spelling. 551, 552, 553, 554, 556, 555, 556, 557, 558, 559, 560. In this slide, you can see the numbers from 531 to 560. Okay, go through the next slide. Okay, in this slide, you can see the numbers name for 561 to 570. Okay, who can count the numbers with read spelling? 560,
61, 562, 563, 564, 565, 566, 567, 568, 569, 570.
It's very good, students. You can correct the counting from 561 to 570. Let's begin. You can start the numbers and counting. It's a spelling of 571 to 580. Let's start.
571, 572, 573, 574, 575, 576, 577, 578, 579, 580.
It's very good, students. You can count the numbers from 571 to 580. Let's begin. You can count the number from 581 to 590. 581, 582, 583, 584, 585, 586, 587, 588, 589, 590. Let's begin. You can count the numbers from 591 to 600. Who can count the numbers from 591?
591, 592, 593, 594,
4. 500.
595, 596, 597, 598, 599, 500,
600. The last
600.
number 600. Okay. In this slide, you can see the HTO. H means the hundreds, T means tens, and the O means ones. You can solve the problems for 529. In this number, you can see the numbers of 529. In an answer, you can write down 500 plus 2 tens plus 9 ones is equal to 529.
9.
The next number, you can read the number and 563. These the numbers of 500 plus 6 tens plus 3 ones is equal to 563. 576. The question number C, you can see the 576. In this number, you can see the numbers from 576. 500 plus 7 tens plus 6 ones is equal to 576. 6. 582. 500 plus 8 tens plus 2 ones is equal to 582. 513. 500 plus 1 tens plus 3 ones is equal to 513. 599.
599. 500 plus 19 plus 9 ones equal to 599.
Yes, very good students. You can count the numbers and solve the according to the numbers of H 100, T tens and the O ones.
Thank you.